Welcome to CDG Inspection, a global leader in material testing and quality assurance. At CDG Inspection, we specialize in providing ISO 148-4 testing services. ISO 148-4 defines the standard method for high-temperature Charpy impact testing on metallic materials. This test is crucial for evaluating the impact strength of materials under elevated temperatures. Our state-of-the-art facilities and skilled experts ensure precise and reliable results every time. We follow strict quality protocols to maintain the accuracy and repeatability of every test. The Charpy impact test measures the energy absorbed by a material during fracture. From steel to exotic alloys, we cater to a wide range of materials and industries. Our comprehensive test reports provide detailed insights, helping you make informed decisions. Whether you're developing new materials or ensuring compliance, CDG Inspection is your trusted partner. Our customer-centric approach ensures we meet your unique testing needs with exceptional service. With a global footprint, CDG Inspection serves clients across industries, ensuring world-class standards. Our advanced technology simulates high-temperature conditions to evaluate real-world performance. Visit our website, www.cdginspection.com, to learn more and make an inquiry. CDG Inspection, delivering precision and quality you can trust.